the story of the pop song Mystery.
The pop group Mumbai's Dreams is going to give a concert. The singers are waiting in the dressing room. I've got an idea for a new song. Listen to this. Wow, that's great! There are 13 fans here tonight. Hurry up, it's the time for the concert. After the concert, well done, Mumbai Dreams. We've got a lot of money now. Where's my tablet? Which tablet? It was on the table. My new song was on the tablet. Call the police, quickly! Who are you? I'm Artie, the manager. Where were you 1 hour ago? I was in the States, behind the country. What were you doing there? I was watching the concert. Who are you? I'm Yamir behind the scene. Where were you 1 hour ago?
I was at the pop concert.
What were you doing there?
I was watching Mumbai Dreams.
The police officer doesn't believe Yamir. She wants to take him to the police station.
I think you need to come with me. La 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 la.
Wait a minute! That's my new song. You weren't in the room when I played it before.
That's strange. Let's look at the stage. So, look, this Golda hat looks like our manager. So our manager, she wasn't on the stage.
She was stealing my tablet.
Fine. Yes, it was me. I wanted your new song. I wanted for sale and have more money.
Now Mumbai Dreams has got a new manager. They've got a new singer too. His name is Yamir and he's fantastic.